Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Ally Invest account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the process of canceling your Ally Invest account, first, log into your Ally Invest account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for an option labeled close account or account closure. Click on that option to initiate the account cancellation process. You may be prompted to review your account status. Take a moment to ensure all your trades are settled and funds are withdrawn. If you have any outstanding balances or positions, settle those before proceeding. After verifying your account status, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. You might need to provide a reason for closing the account in a designated field. Once you submit your request, check for any confirmation messages. If you do not receive an immediate confirmation, consider checking your email. You should receive an email confirming your account closure within a few days. Keep an eye on your account statements to ensure everything has been processed correctly. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Ally Invest customer support for assistance. It's important to review any final details, including potential fees related to cancellation. After this process, your Ally Invest account will be officially closed. Make sure to keep any relevant documents related to your account closure for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.